Welcome to 1897 Fairport Road, a stunning 4+2 bedroom home with 4 washrooms situated within the desirable family-minded Dunbarton community of Pickering. A brick and stone home with beautiful curb appeal, the double-door entry opens into an open-concept main level showcasing 9-foot ceilings, crown moldings, hot lighting, and hardwood flooring. Natural light through north and west-facing windows with arched transoms, as well as a mirrored feature wall, enhance the spaciousness of the living room, which shares the coziness of a double-sided gas fireplace with the great room. Half walls with decor columns at the entry, as well as a mirrored feature wall and a dark-colored accent wall, also enhance the spaciousness of the formal dining room, which is illuminated by a beautiful modern chandelier and has direct access to the kitchen for entertaining convenience. The great room is generous in size and very open, and the fireplace it shares with the living room has a wooden mantle, while surrounding it is a dark-colored accent wall that features built-in white cabinetry, as well as a striking geometric pattern between the shelves. And this exceptional family and entertaining space is fully open to the beautifully renovated kitchen. This incredibly functional workspace showcases stainless steel appliances including a French door fridge with bottom mount freezer, microwave, a Bosch dishwasher, a convection oven with smooth surface cooktop, as well as a stainless steel double basin corner undermount sink. Finishing details include a tiled floor, glass tiled backsplashes, and granite counters, all which complement the rich dark finish of craft-made solid wood cabinetry that has under cabinet and interior lighting, an extended island with wine storage, as well as a pantry with pull-out drawers. All the windows in the kitchen and great room have transoms, as does the breakfast area's sliding door walkout, which also features California shutters and opens to the fully fenced and private backyard retreat. Concrete surrounds a 16 by 32-foot heated in-ground pool that features a diving rock, stairs, and a slide, while its pool shed has electricity, a change room, and storage cabinets for pool equipment. The backyard is complete with a natural gas hookup for a barbecue and a large deck with a powered retractable awning. And also providing access to this gorgeous backyard oasis is a stone walkway from the front yard, where exterior architectural accents and lighting, trees and gardens, as well as stone landscaping enhance the beautiful curb appeal of the home. The 2-story foyer has a marble tiled floor, and off the main hallway is a double coat closet with mirrored doors, a sunken laundry and mudroom with front-load LG washer and dryer, cabinetry storage, and access to the garage, as well as a newly remodeled powder room. And to both the upper and lower levels are hardwood staircases, while a hardwood railing with wrought iron pickets carries from the main level hallway with the upper staircase and along the upper level hallway. This level has the coziness of broadloom throughout, a hallway with pot lighting, a ceiling fan, and a large linen closet, 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and a huge library. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are freshly painted, have ample closet storage, and good-sized windows for natural brightness, and all share the 4-piece common-use washroom, which features a wall-to-wall vanity with a modern light fixture, ceramic finishes, as well as a water closet with a bath and shower combo. Open to the hallway and to the foyer below, the light-filled sunken library showcases a west-facing Palladian window with a vaulted ceiling above it, pot lighting and wall sconces, as well as hardwood flooring and dark-colored crown moldings. And this space is ideal for home office use or as a casual gathering area and media room for entertaining. Through double doors is the entry into the serenity of the master suite, showcasing an east-facing exposure with a sitting area by the turret wall, crown moldings, pot lighting, and a ceiling fan, a mirrored feature wall enhancing its spaciousness, as well as a walk-in closet with a modern sliding barn door and organizers. Its renovated spa-like ensuite washroom is luxuriously finished with a furniture-style vanity with a stone counter, the undermount basins having their own mirrored toiletry cabinets, a heated floor and towel rack, toilet and bidet, a glass enclosed shower with tiled walls, a mosaic accent border, a rainfall shower head, and multiple body sprays, as well as a freestanding tub. Featuring a 2-car garage with driveway parking for up to 6 vehicles, this home additionally features a garden shed with electricity, front and back access doors, as well as plenty of storage, and the pool comes with a new liner, fitted winter cover, heater, and chlorinator, and the home also includes a central vacuum system with equipment, all electrical light fixtures and window coverings, and a Ring doorbell, while its professionally finished open concept lower level adds exceptional living, entertaining, and storage space to the home. Featuring a cold cellar and a furnace room combined with workshop space with lots of room for tools, off the landing is a 4-piece washroom with ceramic finishes, a finished storage area that is ideal as a hobby or crafts room and which also comes with a French door fridge, as well as a bright yet cozy den with a closet that can be used as a home office and also has potential as a bedroom. The massive recreation area has broad lumen track lighting throughout and offers more than abundant space for games and fitness areas, has a separate space with potential for conversion into an additional bedroom for the home, and also showcases a family media room with an electric fireplace mounted onto a wood feature wall. A short walk to the Dunbarton Creek Ravine and Bonita Park, and within the catchment area of top-rated William Dunbar Public School and Dunbarton High School. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.